What's up, guys? It's Element Fishing here. Today we're doing a little unboxing. This is the basskhang BK shuttle. I did not get the power box because I just want to go lighter and I feel like I didn't need it. So let's go in with the new unboxing. I haven't seen any video on YouTube. So first off, comes with aluminum brackets, I believe, or if they're not aluminum, they might be steel, but they're really light. So 2 of these, and we're gonna build this together. You guys are gonna watch me build this. Tools, you know, gotta have your tool. Then we'll get into the box. So put this down here. So I'll tell you guys what I did with customization. My platform is yellow. I'm going to be putting it on my FLX 30 here. I can get open. So we're going to be putting it on my 30. And I've got a black camo grip. So that I didn't just want to go with the black handle. So I went with black camo. So these are some of the accessories I got. I've got accessory bar for like rod holders and stuff. I did pick up a this transducer holder. These come with the BK shuttles, I believe. They're all 3D printed, which is really cool. I love that they went with aluminum this year. So yeah, I have a cord management. I'll be putting that on. I also have a rod holder, as I said earlier, and I have a nut. Where does this nut go? I have an extra nut and bolt. I gotta figure where this goes. So I got a nut and bolt, but I gotta figure where this goes because I don't know where it goes. Maybe it goes to the. Oh yeah, let's go to this. So let's screw this on for now so we don't lose it. And for my gimbal brackets, I went yellow too. Most of it's yellow and black. It's just yellow and black, and besides the black camo handle grip. This note is mounting locations. So the Vexter will go on the farthest setting. Yeah, the farthest setting. So this is for gimbals. And I believe these are all self-tap, so reason why I haven't made the video is because I've been moving into a house and stuff, so that's my news for you guys. And then a yellow battery bracket. So for all this trash, you can set this aside underneath our desk. And so they're all labeled battery and base mount. And start with our Allen tools over here. I believe they're Allen tools. Where I throw the trash away, it's right next to me, so let's see if these bolts fit. Okay, it's metric. No, this is metric. Let's see. So it's gonna be a 4mm, not 4mm, a 4mm wrench, Allen wrench. So get this set up. These are self-tap, so it was what I really love. So as you guys can see that I'm building it. I believe. Where does the O-ring go? Let me look it up on my computer real quick. bees shuttle and stuff. So this will, let me see, go on the outside. And make sure to go check out basskhang.com. There's shuttles, and they have more in store, like rod lengths, amazing stuff. So shout out to them for making great stuff for the ice fishing community. And the shuttles are super light, which is what I went for instead of running like a Gens box, which I do love my Gens box, but I'm changing over to shuttle big cage shuttles now because I want to go lighter. Sorry if I'm quiet. I'm trying to screw this stuff in for you guys. Get this done as fast as possible. That way, I don't have to worry about it. This is part of the base mount. So make sure you're tying it down enough where it won't come out. If you have problems, I suggest you use Loctite thread locker. Once it locks, it's gonna lock. So this is what it looks like so far. It's coming together. My battery mount, I'm thinking, do I want it to stick out? Nah, I'm gonna make it flush just because that's how I like things. And battery. Okay. Just trying to figure which way looks better. Since this has a lip, I think I'm gonna go this way. If I don't like it this way, I'll probably end up changing it. Oops. But for now, this is gonna be the way it's gonna be set up to my preference. Okay, so we got that part done. I think I'd rather have the battery set like this. It's just more cleaner. And then this one has a lip on it, so it's just more my preference. We're gonna install, what is this? Battery basement. I believe these are the bracket mounts. Let me see. Bracket. The handle, I have to figure that out. Kind of lost here a little bit. Kind of not. I'm trying to figure out stuff. Leave this handle. I'll do the handle next just to make it easier on myself. So these are 3D printed discs. I'm pretty sure this goes on the inside. Yeah. So. Ooh. So I'm dropping my stuff and not using the camera. Still new to YouTube, so I apologize if I'm not that great at filming. I'll try my best. I hope the lighting is really good for you guys. I can see if this helps. Let me see. Yeah, it's a little better. Handle. Done. Get this out the way. This is annoying me right now. Okay, so I just pulled that out. Okay, let's kind of lost here. Let's look at this video. Okay, so I did have these go here. Actually, no. That is like that. Let's do this. And then grab this bolt here. Base mount. Am I forgetting something? I think I'm lost. And all these bolts are self-tapping, which is really nice. Let's see. Is it not going in? Okay. How did he get this? Actually, you know what? I'll use new screwdriver that I got. I got a DeWalt ratcheting just to make life a little easier. Alright, so this goes back up here. Four. 5. Okay. loud for the camera, so I'll grab a mat real quick. So I won't lose my stuff. Okay, got that part done. Now it's the next with the boat. Okay, set there. Go back here. Okay, I just gotta see how you attach this. So snug. It's nice under here. So we're gonna keep it. Yeah. And then the last one. Let's see if we can both these. I can stand it there. One of these. So they recommend, they don't have the scoops for Vexler or for the Vexler and the BK, but you just use your standard Vexler ones. It should be okay. Screw her in just like that. Side in. Tighten it up a bit. I believe. Okay. I know what these are for now. These are for inside of here. Make sure she tilts a little bit. But basically, this is almost a finished product, so it matches my 30. I'm gonna have to take this off because I don't like the way where the mount is sitting for my shuttle. So I'm thinking there's really no place to put it on here because it's gonna stick out, so never mind that. We can go ahead and start with the accessory bar. Let's see. And each one has like a inside thing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's shiny. A lock nut inside, plus a lock ring. So I'm thinking about, come on. Actually, I'm gonna go here. Let's see where this thing ends up. Onto there, okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go to my other stuff, my other battery, just so I can do everything real fast, get done over. I'll be back right real quick. I gotta go grab my other tool. Get my battery mocked up so I can actually finish up real quick. See if I like the way it sits and all that stuff. I'll tell you a little bit about the battery once I pull it out here. Probably one of my favorite lithium batteries that I own right now. There's nothing bad to say about it because it performs fantastic. Okay, whatever. Didn't mean to, shouldn't have dropped it, but it's okay. So yeah, I use an Amp Outdoors lithium. So this is the cords and whatsoever. Let's see how close. Okay, that's close. So I'm gonna fix that real fast. don't like how that sits. Okay. Alright. Put this back in. This piece fell out somehow. Which is okay. Oh, there's a cat up here. The kid's cat. Okay, so we want the battery this way. And I think I'm gonna clamp down the wires. Actually, maybe this stick out a little bit. So. It ain't going nowhere, it's stuck there. So, I really want to throw on the old Vexler, but enough about that. I have to see where this fits because this model year don't have the thing, so we can test drive this first. Okay, so I think you're supposed to put on, I don't know. I think you're supposed to put the rubber pieces on. I'm not sure, but besides that, we can go around that right now. And I'll show you a video, a life hack or whatever you're supposed to call it with the with the glow ring on here. So that's settled. I can pull this out of here because I don't really need it right now. Even though this stuff's right here. I gotta find what this bolt goes to. I'm pretty sure it goes to. Okay, it goes to some bolt. Okay. Oh, this, yeah. Wait. Yeah. So we want this to go like. Okay, we're gonna put this here. Just because I like it here holding the battery, I'm never gonna pull it out, so I gotta go get a tool for that somewhere. I'm gonna put a flat O-ring instead of that way it fits flush better. July 30 fits in here. Perfect. Right now it's a little wobbly. Okay, I'm really having a hard time trying to debate what to do with this. Oh. Okay, let's just mock up this real quick. So put this here. And then we do this. Yeah, this is much better. The wires gonna have to go down. Actually, let's put these in first. That way we can see where we can put the accessories. Okay, where's the reason why I set the accessory bars low so I can, it's kind of balanced out now, so here's that in the front. You're gonna have to move this so you can get your transducer arm, or you can just leave it like this and have it sit straight out like that, or you can push it back and make sure your units is sitting straight, but up to you. Personal preference. And I'm just having a hard time messing with the O-rings on this. So batteries out the way, we can figure out where to put this for my 30. I think I exactly want it right where the battery is, since it's not too much. So make sure this sits nice and pretty here. Okay, it does. So we can put the float here or however we like. We're probably not going to run a float anymore because since we're running the transducer, we will not be needing this. Keep it in future references if you need it. Right now it's not an option for me. I'm going to put my cord on the right side because, let me see, yeah, because if I don't, I would love to put it on the left side, but I like to have it next to the, I guess I could put it on the left side because the transducer is sitting there. It'll look more pleasing. Okay. That's a piece of Velcro. Stick your bolts in. This here. That there. Make sure it's tight. So what we can do is we can leave that there. And yes, I do have an S cable for you those who are wondering, just because people who have live scope tend to have frequencies with the 30 and the higher ones. This part, wrap it. See how many times I could wrap it. Almost perfect. Transistor sitting out of the way. Use your Velcro to guess tighten it to it somehow, which I have no idea how to do that. Your wire can hang or dangle however you like, because you're going to be going right out to your stuff. So now we get into the accessory bar. Put the rod over here. Should be going nowhere. Okay, for the glow ring, there's a little attachment. Wow. Okay, tight. There's a little screw on it. So this comes out just like that. It's nice and simple. Leave. There we go. Okay, keep dropping this washer here. So what I'm doing is I'm just tightening it to the outside of the kind of tough to get it in there. Just using it in one of the octagon spaces, so it's kind of loose in my opinion. It's not going any tighter, so I have to figure this one out real quick. I'm just gonna put it on the accessory slot, just make it my life a little bit easier. Not gonna work. Holy crap. Okay. This is a tough one. Alright guys, sorry for the interruption. I think my GoPro just quit on me. I think it's a little hard, just touched it, but I went to go find a nut, and that's where my glow ring sits like that, works just fine, you know. I think this is a good alternative. I think it's a 5/16 washer lock nut, so it fits perfectly. For Vexor, we have our own personal settings. But I think everything is done. It's really light compared to my Gens box. there's some things I want to work on, but I'll do that off camera. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what do you think of the build, or if you need anything to know about basskhang. So I'll catch you guys in the next episode, and peace out.